Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Graham Finan with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here in the fitness center at the Alta Riverside, so let's go explore it. It's a rather decent sized fitness center, and we'll start on the right. So we've got some, looks like some leg equipment that's over here. That's really cool. And then we've got over here some treadmills and Stairmasters. So three of those treadmills and then ellipticals over here. And then we've got some Peloton bikes over there. That's pretty cool. And then over here we got some free weights. The free weights are nice. You got like a Smith kind of machine that's over there. We do have some stuff over here as well. So lots of equipment. That's some more sophisticated equipment. And then we have some of these plyo soft boxes to work out on, and then some dumbbells. So it's a pretty good amount of free weights, actually kind of generous on the free weights. And then you've got your cardio that's here. That's what it looks like here at the Alta Riverside at their gym. And it's pretty good. I think it will take care of the basic needs that you'd have, and it would cover it well, actually. Hey, now we're about to go look at a couple other things, and we'll look at the models. So let's go take a look at those.